Welcome to Intel Prime, your trusted source for insightful analysis of global affairs. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our in-depth geopolitical discussions. In today's episode, we delve into the intricate web of Turkey's foreign policy, a nation caught between the West and the rising powers of the East. Let's get started. Turkey has a serious foreign policy dilemma given current geopolitical developments. On the one hand, Turkey is a NATO member and relies on the Euro-Atlantic Security Alliance against regional and global security threats. On the other hand, Turkey's political and economic expectations for membership of the West, as represented by NATO membership, have been challenged by Russian and Chinese political and economic influences in the last decade. Turkey's foreign policy orientation is therefore being shaped by these new political, economic, and security conditions. China and Turkey boast a long and fascinating history of exchange, dating back to their interconnectedness on the ancient Silk Road. This foundation of cultural and economic interaction has laid the groundwork for their formal diplomatic relations established in 1934. China and Turkey upgraded their relationship to a strategic partnership in 2010, becoming political, economic, and security partners. Prior to that, China played a minor role in Turkish foreign policy as an emerging economic actor alongside countries such as Brazil, India, and South Africa. Sino-Turkish bilateral relations have deepened since 2010, particularly in the economic field. However, their diplomatic status quo rests on two factors. First, the continued strengthening of economic ties. And second, a tacit understanding not to bring political disagreements to the table. All diplomatic activities are designed to protect this status quo. Let's take a moment to focus on the human and corporate connections between these two nations. There are thousands of Turks living in China, many of whom have established businesses, contributing to the Chinese economy. Their presence has added a unique human touch to the diplomatic relations, fostering cultural exchange and understanding. On the other side, a significant number of Chinese companies operate in Turkey, contributing substantially to the Turkish economy. These companies are not only involved in massive infrastructure projects, but also in sectors like technology and manufacturing. These human and corporate ties, while often overlooked, add another layer of complexity to the China-Turkey relationship, strengthening the economic bond while also creating new avenues for cooperation and potential points of contention. Although each country prioritizes the economic relationship, there is much about the bilateral relationship that looks like a one-way street. For example, since Jiang Zemin's visit in 2000, Chinese presidents have not paid an official visit to Ankara. Despite signing a strategic partnership, China does not view the relationship as a strategically significant one. Meanwhile, Turkey has paid several high-level visits to Beijing since 2000. Besides, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's attendance at the opening ceremony of the 2017 Belt and Road Initiative (BRI) Forum in Beijing, he has paid 4 official visits to Beijing since 2014. Relations were strengthened by China's display of support for Turkey's elected government after the 2016 coup attempt, shown by a prompt visit from Deputy Foreign Minister Jiang Ming 3 weeks later. President Erdogan's speech at the 2017 BRI Forum's opening ceremony was in part to show appreciation. However, Beijing's treatment of the Uyghur population in Xinjiang remains a major cause of diplomatic tension. China has established internment camps to eradicate so-called terrorism in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, XUAR. Except for a few official statements, Turkey's government has not taken concrete steps against China's new securitization policies in the XUAR. China is inclined to play the Kurdish card in response to Turkey's official statements criticizing human rights violations. Trade between Turkey and China has grown steadily over the years, despite the political tensions and complex historical backdrop. In fact, China has become Turkey's second-largest import partner, a testament to the intertwined economies of these two nations. Turkey's main exports to China comprise of mineral fuels and oils, precious stones and metals, products that are integral to China's bustling industries. On the flip side, Turkey's primary imports from China include machinery, electrical equipment, and textiles. These are vital cogs in Turkey's own economic machinery, supporting its domestic industries and consumer markets. Despite the trade imbalance, with imports outweighing exports, Turkey remains keen on increasing its exports to China. This economic interdependence underscores the complexity of their bilateral relationship, a delicate balancing act between political tension and economic pragmatism.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.